Hi, what's good YouTube? This is your boy Spiritual96 back with another video, and today's video I will be talking about 6 things that they can hold you back to manifest many things in your life, and is making you those things to become a lazy guy. Is making you also to drown in your success. You are not changing your life because you still having those things, or you are still using those things, you feel me? So check this out, man. The first thing first I will tell you is the weed, bro. If you're that type of person, you feel me, I don't know if you are a woman, man watching this video, but if that type of person who been smoking GMO weed, bro, that weed is fucking with your mind, you feel me? It's a poison. That's why all the time you are smoking that weed, when you get sober you feel like you're tired and you have to take more. So that weed is fucking with your mind, you feel me? Because it's setting your mind to depend on the weed, on the GMO weed. Without you smoking, you don't do nothing. You don't feel like to do something because you are depending on weed, you feel me, to do your things. You always smoking GMO weed and you are becoming lazy. So after you smoke, you get high, you are becoming lazy. You are not doing nothing in your life, you feel me? And you just sitting high, doing nothing, you feel me? So if you're that type of person that you've been doing those things, just smoking and sitting, not doing nothing, you have to change the way how you think. You have to change the way you act, you feel me? Because the action, if you do some action in this planet Earth, that means that you're gonna change something, you feel me? So the second thing I will tell you, social media, bro. If you're that type of person that you just be on social media the whole fucking day, the whole 24 hours, you just sitting in your crib, talking to the girls, you feel me, stacking on the social media, bro, you have to know that you won't change nothing in your life, because your life is depending on social media. It's like your life is in the social media, you feel me? So you are not doing nothing to change your life. That's why you are still in the same position. Your position of your life is not changing, you feel me? And make sure that you like to meditate, bro, because me, I love to meditate, you feel me? So you should know that if you be on social media like 24/7, bro, you won't manifest nothing, because social media is a distraction, you know? So you be on social media like the whole fucking day and you don't do nothing. How you can get things that you want? Bro, there's no magic. There's no magic, bro. I will tell you straight. There's no magic to manifest things. But manifestation, it goes by the energy that you have. That type of person who always be on social media, not doing nothing in your life, like you always like you always on your phone, bro. You should change the way how you do your things. You have to plan for your day, you feel me? You have to change your life, you feel me? Social media won't take you nowhere. So the other thing here I want to tell you, if you are a woman or man watching this video, if you are a woman watching this video, if that type of woman who think that if you get a boyfriend who have everything, or be with your boyfriend, you will change your life, or you want to get married, I won't say that is good or bad for you, but one thing I want to let you know, you have to be focused on you, because you should know that everything is a distraction. Friends, husband, boyfriends, girlfriend is a distraction to change your life. But when you be alone, like you decide to be alone, like you just want to be alone, you feel me? That's the time you will start changing your life and you will start manifesting many things, you feel me? If you are a man watching this video and you always want to chase the woman's, all stuff like that, bro, you won't manifest nothing, because all your energy you are spending to those girls, you feel me? You take all your energy to spend to those women, so you won't change nothing in your life. You will be stuck in the same position, you feel me? The fourth thing is the music. When it comes to the music, you should know what type of music you are listening to, because the frequency that you are hearing, even if someone come to talk to you, because you should know that we are all the radio, you feel me? We have a frequency. So if you talk to the low vibration people, obvious, your manifestation is low, because everything around you is low. So if you are listening to the music that is low, it's talking about struggling, bro, you will manifest struggling, because you are not listening to the frequency that is high. So you should know what type of music you are listening to. If you are listening to the music that you know, bro, that if you are listening to the music that you know that the vibration is low, the frequency is low, obvious, you will manifest low things, because your vibration is low. Bro, everything it goes by energy. and vibration. So if your vibration is that vibration that is high, you will manifest many things and you will change your life. You feel me? You should stop listening to the music that you know that the vibration is low, have no message. Like they're always talking about bitches, money, cars, all the stuff like that. You feel me? Because that thing will make you feel like, damn man, I'm broken. When I'm gonna get that car, when I'm gonna get that shit and that shit. You feel me? So you should stop doing those things. You feel me? You feel me? Or you should stop listening to the frequency that you know that is low. You feel me? It's hot, niggas. Yo, it's too hot today. The sun is for us. You have to go out and have a sun in your body. You feel me? And the other thing I want to tell you is this. If that type of person who, let me just sit here. If that type of person who always like to be with the people, bro, you should know that people, they won't take you nowhere. Because people, they are just there with you to control your life. And they want to see you that something is changing in your life or not. You feel me? So once you start focus on you and you don't want to be with the people, you don't want to be with the fake friends, you don't want to be with any friends, you just focus on you. That's the time that you will start manifesting things. You feel me? Because when you be with the people, example, you spend your whole day being with the people, just talking. Bro, you should know that talking will never take you anywhere. You have to think about something, then you do the action. So people, they're always coming, they can see you that you're chosen, and they see that you have a success on you. They like this with you. So some of the people, they just want to be with you because they know once you become success, they will say, we will be supporting that guy. You feel me? So you don't want to be with the people, you just want to be alone. You feel me? Just be alone. I'm telling you straight, just be alone. Don't be with the people. You don't need people to be happy. You don't need people to be rich. You don't need people to manifest things that you want. You don't need people to change your life. You just need yourself. You just need your ego, your soul. That's all. And your energy to change your life. You don't need people around you to change your life. You feel me? So the other thing I will tell you, the food, bro. The food, bro. You have to pay attention on what you are eating every day. If that type of person who always like to eat chickens, meat, bro, fake food, exactly. I will say fake food because, bro, meat is not good. It's the meat that is causing cancer. You feel me? So people, they don't know this thing. They think that when I buy that meat, you have to eat half. When you start eating half, you'll be connected with the nature. You feel me? So your energy, your vibration, bro, you'll be connected to the universe. So your manifestation is gonna be something like you don't need to cry every day. Bro, me, I don't pray to manifest things. I just put my things in the action. Then I manifest things that you want. You feel me? So the food that you are eating, if you are eating fake food, you should stop eating fake food because fake food can lower your vibration, and eating too much also is not good. It can lower your vibration. I'm not saying that eating is bad. Eating is not bad. It's good. But you should know what you are eating, what you are putting in your mouth. If you like to eat meat, you like to drink alcohol, bro, it's not gonna be easy for you to manifest things, bro. And it's not gonna be easy for you to change your life. Because you're stuck in this motherfucking matrix. We are living in matrix, bro. You should know that. So take care of yourself, man. So this video just made to explain to you that those things, they can hold you back, you feel me? Because I was that type of person. I was doing those things also, you feel me? I was doing those things also, but once I decided to be focused on me and quit the other things, I'm just feeling so good, man. Meditate, son, guys, don't forget to be alone and do your things by your own way. Create your own world, bro. The time is up for it. The final days, they are coming, you feel me? Don't forget to meditate, bro. And stay blessed. I'll be back with more video. If you like this video, just subscribe and hit the like, comment there. We can talk about anything about life, you feel me? Don't stuck in 3D, man. You don't need to stuck in 3D, man. Alright? Stay blessed, man. I'm out here.